everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into SJP Bank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.sjpbank.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page, click on this link where it says www.if.com and you'll be taken to this page. Click the login button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area and select one of the area you'd like to log in with on the next page. In the login area, you can go ahead and type in your online username and password. If you are new to the service, you can click on this register link in order to register and sign up for a new account. After filling in all of the details, click the continue button in order to access your St. James Place bank account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.